In 1964, ENTİL rules a leading light over casting sector by Zeytinoğlu family. The training policy of Zeytinoğlu family is basic philosophy as amassment of human resource and respect for human rights enables ENTİL to become a leading company of this concept in this sector. By taking meticulous care concerning universal values, both human and environmental, and adopting sustainable development in terms of quality and productivity, ENTİL follows the success route of ideas on its way to becoming global brand while aiming to be the leader of the sector and opening up new frontiers. As an indication of this, today, ENTİL has obtained the following certificates: IATF 16949 2016, ISO 9000 2015, Pressure Vessel AD 2000, WO TRD 100, Railways WG G4 GJS material with cast parts and shipment parts production certificates for highways. Laboratory equipment and expert elements to follow all the production and process perimeters are cast. In the year 1974, ENTİL broke new ground with the centrifugal casting method in production of roller mills. Today, ENTİL is not only the first producer but also the leader of the great market share and global arena. In the competitive new global formation, ENTİL established a new facility in 2013 with 30,000 square meters workshops and total 120,000 square meters area. In the year 2016, ENTİL became one of the indispensable company for the market. ENTİL starts the machining process. Up to 1800 mm and 1500 mm length turning, 2000 mm width to 2000 mm length machining capacity with 85 advanced machines brought ENTİL to become a new and powerful player of the market. Today, ENTİL is more powerful than before with a capable 500 employee in order to move forward with solid steps. Besides becoming a company in demand among all sectors who need well-qualified casting and machining, ENTİL's name will also continue to be mentioned continuously for a long time. Through the trade market production of the roller mill, production of automotive parts, engine bodies, cylinder heads, rods, hubs, gearboxes, and compressors causes for use of local and global markets. With the R&D Center established on December 18, 2017, ENTİL has introduced a new approach in exceeding customer expectations and designing products and materials. Everything starts with engineering drawings, then ENTİL's executive and experienced staff prepare the project based on those drawings. Solid modeling of the parts are prepared for futuring use of casting simulation and model production. Experienced designers check all the results of simulation and if necessary they apply amendments. Modeling, which passes through design acceptance tests, gets ready for production on CNC and conventional machines. Now, after all these verification processes, the real production adventure of the parts begins. This adventure focuses on the main solutions of the problems with teamwork and meetings and ensures the continuity of the journey to excellence. ENTİL's production will take place at one of the below stages: the green sand machine molding, no baking resin sand molding, resin sand molding, flask molding, centrifugal casting. The next stage is melting process, which is the heart of ENTİL processes. Since 2016, ENTİL adds value to products with the machining processes, which is the intended demand from all companies. So ENTİL has reached success in every aspect within wide range of casting and machining industry standards. ENTİL, which chooses high-quality success and customer-centered management in its job, will accelerate the production and investments based on the needs and demands of its customers. ENTİL